take the old truck out. Everybody's been asking for an update on the medical and on the new projects. Well, this is one of the projects. We've been having some unbelievable weather the last couple of days. Some things have slowed down just a little bit, but definitely going to get into some good stuff. But update on the medical. Next week is going to be a big week. Last week, as you can see, they took my teeth. But I'm getting some new ones, so that's good. But we find out more about what the cancer is doing, whether it's got bigger, smaller, what the next step is, what to do. If I go back on chemo again, which I'm sure I will, but not sure when. But that's what we're doing. Now, I'm about to cross the creek down here, but it hasn't had water in it in months, other than a little trickle here and there. But I have a feeling we're about to see some water. Hey, there's a squirrel. Cool. Yeah, we got running water. First time in months. Cool. Really happy to see that. But anyway, this is an 86 Chevrolet C20 350 with a 350. With the exception of missing the bed, it is bone stock, with the exception of some upgrades I've done under the hood. And I drove this truck for a little while just to check it out, and it's a really good driving, performing vehicle. Very dependable. But right at the moment, basically a farm truck that's about to get some serious upgrade and make a really cool project out of this thing. But anyway, we'll see how all that goes and see what they do to me next week, and that kind of dictates when we start the project. But today, we'll try to get back on the wood shop and start getting set up for the electrical and plumbing and workbenches. So stick around. Get into something good and have a little fun. Alright, well, I talked about doing everything out of recycled material, and well, this is the boneyard. You can see this right here is going to be one of the projects that goes with the old Chevy truck. I'll explain that one later. But we got a trailer set up here for scrap. Of course, we got tires. Everybody needs tires. But I'll pan around here, you can kind of see what we got. And later on in the videos, you'll see how it gets used. We got kegs, aka gas tank. Got old axles, of course, plenty of tires, trailers. There's truck bed for the old truck. This rascal right here, you're going to see a lot get done to this thing. So just trying to hang out for that one. You guys will enjoy that one. But I got a lot of stuff that's saved up for that. But anyway, we've got the old appliance section over here, which some of this stuff we'll repair and sell it or do whatever we need to do with it to gain more money for the other projects. Nuts and bolts, stuff like that. But anyway, you can see a trailer section frame back there. There's more axles and timbers and things of that nature. Blower motors, just about anything you could really think of. And we got more vehicles. Plenty of tires. Did I mention tires? I think I did. Yep. Anyway, old shelving. A little bit of everything and everything. There's another van. It's a old Suzuki. And several vehicles have already been used up and taken out of here. But time to cut the grass in a bad way. But that's part of the boneyard right there. There's more. But this van is a 2000 Dodge, and it is a 3/4 ton extended 318 automatic. It's in actually pretty good shape. Needs to be cleaned up, but it's a nice vehicle. But I hate it. Every Dodge I've ever owned has been a piece of junk, and this one's no exception. But got better plans for it. But it's got a new set of tires on it, and maintenance part of it was always kept up. But this thing has had electrical issues ever since the day I got it. So, but it did its job for a while. And of course, there's the C20. And that's just a fun old truck. Really enjoy driving that thing. But let's head over to the workshop and see what we can get done there. As you can see, all the employees are accounted for. Yep. They didn't work out too good for you, did it, Muff? Sorry, try again. That's right. If first don't succeed, try again. Go for it. Come on, now, you can do it. It's just a ladder. Okay. All right, maybe next time. Hey guys. All right, we're in the shop. Give you a little tour in a second, but it's a mess. And what we're going to do, you can see the lighting in here is horrible. So we're going to put up some lights first, and then we'll start building benches and put in electrical for the outlets and places to put everything. But right now, my 6x6 is the work bench, and it needs to be cleaned off. So we got to get some benches up to get this stuff off my 6x6 and start putting equipment and things in here to get things done. I've also got to run electric from the main box into this building, which that'll come at a later time. Right now, we're just going to get it set up and get it ready. And, like I said, I'll give you a little tour of everything here real quick. Number one, I'm setting it up around. Everybody needs one of these in the shop. Thanks, Drake. There's the 6x6. Here's the lighting. I was talking about doing everything recycled. Everything here has come out of places we've been that we're remodeling, doing things. A lot of people are going to the LED lights now, so I mean, you can pick these up out of the dumpster. We've got a bunch of them. Now, there's an LED light that I got from Harbor Freight a long time ago, and it works pretty good. And you can see it's dented up, beat up, and everything, because we have drug it everywhere. We just got a regular cord run on it. There's my current ventilation system. That'll be fixed too. So you can see that, like I said, we've got a lot of rain the last few days. You can see where it kind of came in under the walls. I went last night and got stuff to patch up little places that was in the roof and all around the foundation and the floors. Got my doors sealed up, seal plate put in. And as you can see, everything's got piled up right there. So that's what we're going to take care of today.